Hey everyone, Ayan here. If you're thinking about a career in web development or just want to stay ahead in the tech world, you've probably heard about the MERN stack. But what exactly is it, and why is it such a big deal in 2026? Today, let's break down how to become a MERN stack developer in 2026 and why this skill set is more relevant than ever. Whether you're a student, a career switcher, or an experienced coder looking to upskill, understanding MERN can open up a world of opportunities. MERN stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, four powerful technologies that work together to let you build full-stack web applications using just JavaScript. This means you can create everything from the database to the user interface, all within a single unified language. Over the past few years, the demand for MERN stack developers has skyrocketed. Companies of all sizes, from innovative startups to established tech giants, are looking for professionals who can build scalable modern web apps efficiently. Why MERN? It's in high demand, used by companies big and small, and offers great job opportunities. The stack is trusted for its flexibility, speed, and the huge community support behind each technology. The best part? The entire stack is built on JavaScript, so you don't have to juggle multiple programming languages. By mastering one ecosystem, you can work on both the client and server sides of an application, making you a more versatile developer. This makes learning smoother and lets you share code between front-end and back-end, speeding up development and reducing bugs. You'll be able to build, test, and deploy apps faster than ever before. You'll also gain a deep understanding of how the user interface communicates with the server and database, which is a crucial skill for building real-world applications and collaborating with teams. In this guide, I'll give you a clear, step-by-step roadmap from beginner to job-ready MERN developer. We'll break down each technology, show you how they fit together, and help you avoid common pitfalls. We'll cover what to learn, in what order, and how to build real projects along the way. You'll get practical tips, project ideas, and resources to help you stay motivated and on track. Ready to start your journey and become a MERN stack developer in 2026? Let's dive in and unlock your potential in the world of modern web development. Before you dive into frameworks like React or back-end tools like Node, it's essential to build a rock-solid foundation in the core web technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three languages are the backbone of every website and web application you'll ever create. HTML is where it all begins. It structures your content. Think headings, lists, links, and images. Every element you see on a web page starts with HTML, and understanding how to organize your content properly is key. Go beyond just using divs. Learn semantic tags like header, main, article, and footer. These not only make your code cleaner, but also improve accessibility for users with disabilities and boost your site's SEO, making it easier to find. Next, CSS is what makes your site visually appealing. It controls colors, fonts, spacing, and layout. With CSS, you can transform a plain HTML page into something beautiful and engaging. Master layout systems like Flexbox and Grid to create responsive designs that look great on any device, from phones to desktops. Responsive design is a must-have skill for modern web development. JavaScript is where your site comes alive. It lets you add interactivity, think drop-down menus, sliders, and dynamic content updates. Without JavaScript, your site is just static. Get comfortable with the basics: variables, functions, loops, and conditionals. Then, move on to ES6 features like arrow functions, template literals, destructuring, and promises. These modern tools make your code cleaner and more powerful. Asynchronous JavaScript, using callbacks, promises, and async await, is crucial for handling things like API calls and real-time updates. This is especially important for MERN stack development, where you'll often work with data from servers. Don't rush this stage. Take your time to really understand it. Practice by building simple projects, calculators, to-do lists, or a weather app, using only HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. These projects help you apply what you've learned and build confidence. Remember, These basics are the foundation for everything else you'll do in web development. Every advanced concept builds on these skills. Many beginners try to skip this step and jump straight into frameworks, but that often leads to confusion and frustration later on. Don't make that mistake. Give yourself time to master the fundamentals. Spend a few weeks or even a couple of months here if you need to. The investment pays off in the long run, making advanced topics much easier to grasp. Don't be afraid to build, break, and fix things. Experimenting and troubleshooting is the best way to truly understand how the web works under the hood. A strong foundation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript sets you up for success in the MERN stack and beyond. Take your time, enjoy the process, and you'll be ready for anything that comes next. Once you're solid with JavaScript, jump into React.js, the R in MERN. React lets you build user interfaces from reusable components, making your code organized and scalable. Learn functional components, props for passing data, and state for managing dynamic content, using hooks like useState and useEffect. For app-wide state, start with React's Context API and use Reducer. Move to Redux Toolkit for bigger projects. Use React Router to create multi-page apps with smooth navigation. Mastering these concepts lets you build interactive, modern front ends. React is your gateway to building real-world dynamic web apps. Now, let's tackle the back-end with Node.js and Express.js. Node lets you run JavaScript on the server, so you use one language everywhere. Learn Node basics, modules, file system, and creating simple servers. Express simplifies server code. Set up routes for get, post, put, delete, and handle requests and responses. Build RESTful APIs so your React front-end can talk to your back-end. Use middleware for logging, parsing data, and handling authentication. These skills are essential for building secure, scalable backends. With front-end and back-end in place, you need a database. Enter MongoDB. MongoDB stores data as flexible, JSON-like documents, making it intuitive for JavaScript developers. Learn collections, documents, and CRUD operations. Create, read, update, delete. Use MongoDB Compass or the shell for hands-on practice. In Node, use Mongoose to define schemas and interact with MongoDB efficiently. Mongoose enforces structure and validation, making your data reliable. Connect your Express server to MongoDB, locally or in the cloud. Now your app can store and retrieve real user data. Time to put it all together. Build your first full MERN stack project. Start with something manageable: a blog, to-do app, or contact manager. Connect your React front end to your Express API, with MongoDB handling the data. Understand the full flow user action in React triggers an API call. Express processes it, MongoDB stores it, and React updates the UI. Implement user authentication with JWT. Users sign up, log in, and access protected routes. Store tokens securely and verify them on the server. Expect bugs and errors. Debugging is part of the process. Use browser dev tools and console logs to troubleshoot. Each challenge you solve deepens your understanding. The goal: learn by building, breaking, and fixing. When it comes to mastering the MERN stack, consistency beats cramming every single time. Instead of overwhelming yourself, aim for 10-15 hours of focused study each week. This steady pace allows you to truly absorb concepts, practice your skills, and avoid burnout. Block out regular study sessions in your calendar and treat them like important appointments you can't miss. In months 1 and 2, lay a strong foundation by focusing on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of every web application, so take your time to understand how they work together. Don't just read or watch tutorials. Experiment with code and challenge yourself with small exercises. Build static websites and small interactive projects to reinforce your learning. Try recreating simple websites you like, or add interactive features such as forms and animations. This hands-on practice will boost your confidence and help you see real progress. In month 3, it's time to dive into React. Start by learning the basics: components, props, and state. Read the official documentation, follow beginner tutorials, and don't hesitate to experiment with your own mini projects. Build apps that use public APIs and practice working with components, state, and routing. Try making a weather app or a to-do list. The more you build, the more comfortable you'll become with React's core concepts. In month 4, shift your focus to the back end. Learn Node.js and Express to understand how servers work and how to handle requests and responses. Set up your own server and experiment with different routes. Build RESTful APIs and test your endpoints using tools like Postman. This will help you understand how data flows between the front end and back end and how to debug issues effectively. In month 5, add MongoDB and Mongoose to your skill set. Learn how to design schemas, store data, and connect your database to your Node.js server. Understanding databases is crucial for any full-stack developer. Practice connecting your app to the database and performing CRUD operations, creating, reading, updating, and deleting data. These are the core actions behind every dynamic web app. Now, build your first full-stack MERN project. Connect your React front-end to your back-end API and implement authentication so users can sign up and log in. This is where all your skills come together. In month 6, focus on refining your project. Add new features, polish the user experience, and deploy your app online for others to see. This step is essential for building a strong portfolio. Start a second, more complex MERN project for your portfolio. Collaborate with others if possible, and challenge yourself with advanced features like real-time updates or third-party integrations. Stick to your schedule and track your progress regularly. Celebrate small wins and adjust your plan if you need to, but keep moving forward. A structured plan keeps you motivated and on track, especially when learning gets tough. Having clear goals and milestones makes the journey manageable and rewarding. Remember, the key to becoming a MERN developer is steady, focused learning over time. Stay patient, stay curious, and you'll see real results. The right tools make learning smoother. Use Visual Studio Code with extensions like Prettier, ESLint, and Live Server. Combine video courses, Udemy, Free Code Camp, with official docs for React, Node, Express, and Mongoose. Don't just watch, code along and experiment. Build projects, then rebuild them from scratch and add your own features. Use GitHub from day one to track your progress and build a public portfolio. Join developer communities on Discord, Slack, or Twitter for support and feedback. Ask questions, share your work, and help others. The community accelerates your growth and keeps you motivated. Learning is easier and more fun when you're not alone. Becoming a MERN developer is a marathon, not a sprint. Imposter syndrome is normal. Push through it and celebrate small wins. Build a portfolio with 2 to 3 polished deployed MERN projects. These matter more than certificates. Write clear resumes and include live links for recruiters to see your work. Tailor your resume to highlight your projects and technical skills. Be honest about your abilities and show a willingness to learn. Prepare for interviews by practicing algorithms and explaining your projects. Expect rejection. Learn from feedback and keep improving. Persistence is key. The tech industry needs passionate developers. Stay curious, keep building, and never stop learning. You've got this. Good luck.